Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to use the Countif function in Excel. Basically, Countif function is a function that is used to find a value based on a particular criteria. That criteria can be 1, 2, or 3. I mean, there can be one criteria or more than one criteria. So I will perform this function with a single criteria. First of all, you have to put the equal sign and then the count if function. Now, what is the range or what is the column where or to which I want to apply this function? I would select the B column. For example, I want to count the name Martha in this column, or how many times manager name Martha has come in this column. So first of all, select the range, then comma, and then double quote what I want to look for. So that is Martha, and then I'm sorry, I just put a wrong key. Then I'm sorry, double quote, then Martha, and close, and then close the bracket and press enter. So this means that in this range, the Martha word or the name of the manager, that is Martha, has come 14 times. So let me change this name to Timothy, Timothy, and press enter. It means that 9 times the Timothy name has been counted in this range. So this is how we use the Countif function in Excel. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.